Okay, hi, social studies classes. I think this is working, so just want to go ahead and do a quick review of what your textbook looks like. You're going to see me look up because I'm using a dual screen thing, so I'm looking a different way than what my camera is. And I'm trying to square that up as best I can, but it is what it is. If you happen to scroll, I'm Mr. Anyway, I'm the other seventh grade science social studies teacher. I just kind of want to touch base on what we did the last few days. These green dots are things that you have when you log into your TCI textbook. I recognize that as I am recording this on September 1st, we have not fully connected all those logins, but I just kind of want to touch base with what's out there. So you got classes, assignments, grades, settings. We're going to be reviewing what the textbook looks like, the notebook, the vocab cards, then assessments or tests. So all those green dots are things that you have. We started by looking through the key themes in history. This just describes what the textbook looks like. I want to review these buttons with you. This is the key part we want to know. Play. We'll go ahead and read the page for you, just like this. It highlights it, it reads it. You're not hearing anything, but it's because I'm recording it. Would be reading it. This will change it to Spanish. This highlights the main ideas. It takes regular text, turns it into blue bold text. You can see that right here. Okay, just like that. The highlighter allows you to highlight things. Maybe I want to highlight this main idea now, and I'll go ahead and keep it in blue so that I can find it later. So if I turn off main ideas, I still know those are the main ideas. I highlighted them in blue. If you want to get rid of that, you can hide them, or you can click on them and delete them, just like this. You can do them in a variety of colors. Okay. Let's a couple more buttons. Add notes. That is disabled on teacher accounts, so I can't show you it specifically. Basically, you can highlight or make notes of your own and put them in there. And then save text to Drive allows you to save your text to your Google Drive. Print text allows you to print it out. Two advantages to that. One, if you took notes and you wanted to go ahead and save them, you could print them out so you have them on your desk in a hard copy, kind of like how I use a hard copy lesson plan book. Or you could print this out if you're just getting tired of screen time and you don't mind using the paper and ink to do that. Print it out and read your textbook that way. If you click on a vocabulary word, it takes you directly to vocab flashcards. So demography, flip the card, study how populations change over time. Next card, next card, next card. As you go next card, it gives you the same ones. From here, you can pick any of the sections or chapters that you want to take a look at, the chapters, I should say, you want to take a look at and get the vocab just for that. Going back to here, at the bottom, there is a assignment on each page of a section. Once you finish that, the next section after the reading and after the assignment portion. So next section, those parts save and get turned into your teacher so that they can grade and give you feedback. If you want to jump forward in sections, maybe you logged out, came back later, you said, no, wait, I left off on section 6. Okay, section 6, go and jump forward. We can see that there are questions down there. I want to jump back for a second to section 2. It's 2. Nope. Section 3. Very well. Section 4 must be the haves and have-nots. So in section 4, you can see first start to get into these tools. This one gives you a Venn diagram and asks you to fill it in. You can fill it in with text by clicking this button here. With shapes, you could take your shapes and fill them with different colors. You can change the transparency. That's how see-through it is. So my hand is not transparent at all. The glasses are totally transparent. You can see my eyes through the glasses. You can draw with a pen. Change the color of your pen to a different color. Purple and green like Scooby-Doo. Okay? You can make your pen thicker. I only want green. And then you can delete those things if they are no good for you. You click on it and then click the trash can. Okay, that is how that part works. Sometimes, so drawings may have a Venn diagram, they may be a blank screen. Finally, at the end of a lesson, chapter as we used to call them, you'll see that there is a summary page. It goes through the different sections of the chapter and gives you what the details were, a brief summary of that, and then asks you a few questions to go ahead and fill in your short answers. That is what our textbook looks like on TCI, and just some crash course on how to navigate it. We'll go ahead and share these out to you so that you can use them. Hopefully they are helpful to you. As I always try to end my vlogs and flip lessons, please remember to take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask. I keep mine handy. From my household to yours, we love you. Talk to you soon.